Hello, hello. I'm all packed up, loaded up with bikes and everything. Forrest and I are going to be heading out on an adventure this weekend. It is Memorial Weekend. We're going to stay at a cabin we have stayed at before, and then we are going to a place we have never been before. It's a remote island in the middle of Lake Superior. It's not the one you're thinking of. Stay tuned for more. Well, we're heading in to 12-Mile Beach cabin. I managed to score it for one night, so I had to take advantage of that, and I think we lucked out with absolutely perfect weather. It is about 60 degrees, a very light breeze, and so far, I'm not wanting to jinx it, but so far, no bugs. And I know it looks like we're staying for a week, but since the cabin's just a little ways in and we have the ability to bring a wagon, I just kind of threw everything we might need in there, including a big, huge, comfy blanket, because there's no heat in this cabin, but it's supposed to get about to 40 degrees tonight. So I figured since we have a wagon, might as well load it up and be comfortable. Oh, it's a beautiful day. And there's our old friend, the cabin. We were lucky to stay here 2 years ago. One of the first people to stay here. And this year, we're one of the first people to stay here, I think, for the season.
I remember it being way bigger.
Way bigger. Just a little cabin. Be nice and cozy. Hello. We're back. It smells like campfire in here, even though there's no fire in here. A beautiful view.
Is the things are wood?
No. And there's a composting outhouse here as well, which is actually really nice. So yeah. Let the vacation begin. Forrest is so excited to fish this weekend. We are headed to another really cool place after this, and we will be surrounded by water, so plenty of opportunity to fish. The water is so clear here, it's gorgeous. And this is why it's called 12-Mile Beach. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful day. When they snap. Yours is looking good. Gotta get that natural casing. Try to sit on the beach. Fishing. It's like a cattail. beaners. Yummy hot dogs. I put jalapeno chips on them and it's really good. It's a really good flavor. Cheers. It is so nice out. It's perfect. We were gonna try to do some fishing. Forrest needs his line changed, so I might just let him use my pole in the meantime. I was planning on changing both of our poles anyway tonight, if I had time. But first thing I need to do is get some water out of the lake and then filter it so we have some drinking water. I'm afraid of how cold it's gonna be. My feet are numb already. Filter some water into my knock bag. We have enough water for tonight and for the all-important coffee in the morning, along with our oatmeal. I'm using the Katadyn Be Free filter. I've been using it for quite a few years now. Uh-oh, hold on. Leaking through the cap. I was just going to say it works really well. Oh, I don't have the thing all the way down. Okay, try that again. Hopefully I didn't get any dirty water in there, but I'm sure I'll probably boil it in the morning too. The water's so fresh and cold right now. I'm not as worried as I would be in the warmer months. God, I'm so happy right now. This is perfect. This is exactly what we needed. Perfect mother and son time. Dried up stuff. Be good for the garden, I bet. Time for s'mores. That's a perfect marshmallow right there. It's gonna be so good. I meant to get some Reese's peanut butter cups to try on my s'mores like I see my friend at Wander Wild do. She always has a whole smorgasbord of toppings for s'mores. This is gonna be so messy. Cheers. Cheers. Well, the sun is starting to go down. I think there is a bank of clouds it's going to go behind, so we're not going to get the spectacular sunset that I was hoping for. It's also starting to cool off, so we're slowly adding layers. Forest is all bundled up, and yeah, I think we're gonna head inside and set up our beds and maybe play a little bit of Uno. We're already tired. It's about 9 o'clock. And it's already been a long day. Forrest had school for half a day before we came, so yeah, get a little bit of rest and we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. I'm all bundled up to come out here, and I think it's actually warmer outside than it is in the cabin right now. But it's almost 9 o'clock. We slept in nice and cozy in our sleeping bags, and then we covered up with a big down blanket as well. It was a little chilly at first, but I slept well. It's a little more breezy this morning. I'm gonna make some coffee and some breakfast and start getting packed up and on to our next adventure. Well, friends, complete disaster. I brought my coffee. I brought my AeroPress, which is the coffee maker. I forgot to bring the filter for the AeroPress. I cannot have coffee. I guess I could do like the putting the grounds in the cup, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm that diehard this morning. So I think it's going to be hot chocolate. At least I have some hot chocolate for us, and I will have a hot chocolatey drink. And then as we go back through town, I will have to see what I can come up with for the next couple of days for my coffee consumption, because it's just not the same. How did you sleep?
Good.
Yeah. I think you just got up the one time, right? Was it cold when you got up?
Kind of.
Protein, berry, oatmeal for me, and granola with sunflower seeds and freeze-dried strawberries for Forrest. Eat our breakfast and start getting packed up. To hike out, I have to rearrange everything to fit into each of our backpacks because we are taking the bikes out to Grand Island today. So we have to hop on the ferry with our bikes and our backpacks, and then we have about a mile to get to our next cabin from there. And then we'll have the rest of today, tomorrow, and part of Monday to fish and ride our bikes. So it's gonna be fun. Cabin is all clean and we're ready to go. It's all swept. Here we go. So we're finally ready to go. It is noon. Tried to leave at like 11, and just as I was about to go, I started thinking, where did I put the keys? So, yeah, I spent a good 30 or 40 minutes just now just trying to find the keys. Unloaded everything, looked in everywhere. I could not pull up the memory of where exactly I put them. I remember putting them in something, thinking I'll put them there so I don't forget. I almost was crying. Literally, like, pulled out everything, and it was in the last pocket on the outside of my backpack, which I wouldn't have had to take anything out to find them. So, yeah. Gosh, I hate when I can't remember stuff. Make it up the hill. Good job, buddy. You're getting so strong. So I have everything that we need to take to the island in my backpack and Forrest's backpack now. I eliminated a bunch of stuff, just so we could have them lighter. I could have still stacked more stuff in here, but stuff like the saw, both of our sleeping pads we're leaving behind because there's going to be mattresses on the cabin or on the bunk beds. So I think that I'd rather just have a lighter pack. We're heading to Grand Island.